Attention industry entrepreneurs. As you know, each year at WTS, we bring in non-industry keynote speakers to spice things up. In the past, we've had some of the greatest speakers on the planet. Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, Eric Thomas, and even a legendary Les Brown. This year, we wanted to bring in some of the leading small business experts on the planet to help industry entrepreneurs start thinking differently about themselves and their business to truly scale it in 2020 and beyond. One of the first business books I was ever given as a young entrepreneur was The E-Myth by Michael Gerber. This is now the top 5 selling business book in the world. So we're bringing Michael Gerber to WTS as our day one keynote speaker. So who wants to take the hot seat on main stage at WTS in front of 3,000 industry peers and let this business guru analyze your path and find out what you need to do to scale it in 2020? When I was in college trying to figure out what the heck I want to do with my life, I read a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Then I read another book by him called The Cash Flow Quadrant. These 2 books literally changed my path from thinking like a W-2 wage earner and start thinking like an entrepreneur. And it gave me a blueprint to think and act next level. So we're bringing Robert Kiyosaki to WTS as our day 2 keynote speaker. Another awesome WTS keynote speaker is Brad Lee, the founder and CEO of Lightspeed, the most advanced training platform on the planet for many companies today. Brad's going to be speaking about the importance of effective training systems to scale your company. For you closers out there, we're bringing in another keynote speaker, hardcore closer Ryan Stewman, who's going to share his story and his message on how to level up both on a personal and business level to get more customers and increase sales. Next up, we have celebrity entrepreneur Clint Arthur, who's going to be joining us for a second year at WTS and showing you how to brand yourself, brand your company, so you can scale it in 2020. And yet another great WTS keynote speaker, meet Hurricane Sandy victim and survivor John Marone, who lost everything and is now a motivational expert who's going to bring the fire to WTS. And let's not forget Hall of Fame professional boxer Roberto Duran, who will be assisting John Laub and handing out all those awards at Industry Award Night. Come see Roberto Duran, take a photo, and get a pair of his signed boxing gloves. In addition to all these awesome WTS keynote speakers, we'll also have our usual industry-specific leading CEOs, speakers, panels, live debate, and over 100 breakout sessions where you can literally build your own university during this 3-day experience. If that's not enough, come walk the WTS Trade Show Expo floor and have a cold beer and meet with your favorite industry vendors or meet some new ones that are going to help you scale it in 2020. All this and more under one roof. Join the shakers and movers of the industry at the upcoming annual Winter Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo on February 20 through 22, 2020 at the Phoenix Convention Center. See you soon. Booyah, baby!